Hi everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Saturday Morning Makes. Happy weekend. It's a 4th of July weekend here in the US, so happy Independence Day to everybody. I'm filming this a couple days early just so I can make sure I have it done for Saturday. So this week I am featuring some stamps that are new from Dianna Marcum. Adorn It is putting them out. They were just released on Wednesday. If you watched Adorn It's Facebook Live, which I have mentioned in some Instagrams and shown links and stuff, they just released 6 new Dianna Marcum stamps, and they are not part of the subscription kit. They're standalone purchases. They're actually pre-orders. They're expected to be in at the end of July, but since I am an ambassador, I did get some digital copies just so I can, work with them ahead of time. So I made a few projects with them that I'm looking forward to showing you, and I'm going to show you the different stamps that you can purchase from Adorn It. You can purchase them now, and they'll just be shipped out when they arrive. So yeah, I'll have links for those, and they're really, really cute. So if you like Dianna Marcum stamps, I'm sure you're going to love these. And they're fruit themed, strawberry themed, and yeah, I just couldn't be happier. So that's why I was very excited to use them. Also, I just received this paper pad from KSCRAFT this week, and I purchased this from their AliExpress store. It's called the Strawberry. So yeah, I had to get this. And as you can see, it's got really cute strawberry prints plus coordinating polka dots and ginghams and florals. So I just had to grab that. So I'll link this down below too in case you're interested. And let me just give you a quick preview of the different stamps that are going to be available or that are available on the Adorn It website. There's this one with the recipe for strawberry jam. There's this one with the recipe for rhubarb blueberry jam. There's this one that has a blank jam jar with a label and then different things you could put in the label. And then there's this one that has a strawberry basket, a couple strawberry baskets, some smaller, add-ins, and a strawberries banner. It's got the berry sweet cupcakes, super cute. And then this one is all different mason jars and jars that you can customize and make your own kind of jam. So yeah, those are really, really nice. Those are just my printouts, like I said, digital stamps. So they are going to be physical stamps. They're not going to be available as digital files. So let me go ahead and show you the first one I made. I did show this one on Instagram just in case you saw it there. So this is the one that I showed, and I just love the colors, pink and green, I'm so into, and of course strawberries. Since I just had the digital stamp, I couldn't put the strawberry jam in the label that comes with the file, so I just used a die that I had in my stash to cut out the strawberry jam to make it a label, and I think it looks super cute. I used alcohol markers to color the strawberries, and well, to do all the coloring actually. The 2 papers in the background are from that new KSCRAFT set. And I used a yellow doodlebug card for the base. This die that I used to cut out my inside part of cards, it's not available anymore, otherwise I would link it to you, but it is a really good size for an A2 size card. I popped the strawberry up on foam tape just to give it a little bit of dimension, and I colored the lid in different colors that would coordinate with the rest of the papers, and I glued on a button just to add a little little homespun charm, I think. And I think it came out really, really cute. This is the inside. I used another one of Dianna Marcum's stamps here for the strawberry and just colored that in quick. I love how she does those little dots on her stamp, so you just know exactly where to color for some shading, so that really helps beginners like me. This is that same doodlebug paper I used on the front, and it's just the reverse. So that's my first card, and I just put my stamp on the back, and yeah, I hope you'd like it. The next card I made, I used the rhubarb blueberry jam stamp, and that is this one. So it came out really cute, I think. Let me just show you a couple other things I used to make it. I used the new Distress Oxide color from Tim Holtz. It's called Uncharted Mariner. And it has a little bit more teal in it than the other dark blue one he has, Prize prize ribbon, I think. I also used some Nouveau drops in this pretty purple color, and this one is called French Lilac, and it's a crystal drops. I used some Stickles in Twinkle, and I use this one because it has the blue and the purple glitter in it. And I used some paper from this paper pad. It's a newer one from Michaels. This is in their regular paper pad collection, and I think it was $19.99, but you could always use a coupon or watch for when it's on sale. But it's got beautiful plaids in here, so any color combination you want, you can find it in that paper pad. So this is the card that I made for the Rhubarb Blueberry Jam. And yeah, I made it in lots of bold blues and purples, a little bit out of my comfort zone because I don't usually work with blues, but I do love how it came out. This one is kind of a mini card. Oops, wrong side. And it's about 4.5 inches square, so smaller than normal, but I just wanted the jam jar to be the focal point, and really it doesn't need anything else, I don't think. I used my Nouveau drops on the polka dots that were already on the label, on the covering. I think it was there, right? Let me just make sure. Yeah, there are polka dots there, but I just covered them all up with the Nouveau drops. And it was very simple to color with my alcohol markers. I have a whole bunch of different brands and kinds of alcohol markers, so I just have a few Copics really. The rest are mostly King Art, so that's what I used. And I think that Twinkle Stickles really adds a nice glisten to the blueberries here. I love the purple and blue that it adds as well. This die here that I used to cut out the square and then do the embossing is from the Midodo store on AliExpress. I'll link this die set down below if you're interested. And that plaid is from that Michaels paper pad, and I just love the blue, purple, periwinkle colors of that one. I used the Uncharted Mariner to distress the edges of that, and it just gives it a nice like bluey teal glow, I think, to it. So it worked out perfectly for this card. Yeah, so that's my card. I think it came out super cute. I should have added some shading under the jam jar now that I'm looking at it, so I will do that before I call this one finished. But this is the inside, and again, I use that Uncharted Mariner Distressed Oxide. You can see the color better here. Isn't that pretty? It's a really nice blue. I love it. I really don't think that the color that is on the top really represents it well. I guess it does. It just looks so dark. I don't know. You really have to get it and try it out if you like blues and need like a different, unique blue. So anyway, I cut out the little extra that comes with the stamp set, and just added that as a little accent on the inside of my card. I didn't add my stamp on the back yet, but again, I used that Midodo stamp or die to cut out the square for the inside of the card. So I think these came out super cute, and again, if you're interested in these stamps, you can follow my links down below to order them from Adorn It. Like I said, there are going to be physical stamps that will be available at the end of July. I just got the digital ones just because I'm an ambassador, and we had to start making some projects with them to show you guys and see what they will look like once they come out with the physical stamps. So that's it for my Saturday morning makes this week. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to seeing what everyone else makes. Thanks again, Jill, for starting this Saturday morning makes weekly project. I really love seeing what everybody else is making, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.